DRZ uncorking again. I forgot to elaborate with that. I just used the hole saw, just whizzed the hole in the top of the airbox, and then vacuum cleaned out all the debris. That originally had a whole bunch of 10mm holes drilled in it. When I originally got it, I was like, what the heck? So I blocked it up with a bit of ice cream container lid and some engine sealant. Only to find out apparently you're supposed to was a hole in it, so there it goes. We'll see how it goes anyway. The old air filter was pretty average and was actually starting to fall apart. So just got a online one for cheap. They come dry, so you have to oil them. I used some of this stuff, but it was super thick, so I thinned it out with some wax and grease remover, and then squished it. I'm just letting all the wax and grease remover dry out of it. It should be nice and evenly oiled. I gave the muffler a lick of paint while it was off, because it was pretty scratched up from my awesome riding skills, and also painted the header pipe with a bit of that stuff. High heats, like up to 1,000 degrees or something, so I don't think my cruddy old DRZ will ever get to 1,000 degrees. Also finished cleaning that out, so there's no weld in there at all now. It's pretty huckery, but definitely better than having like a, massive weld in there. Yeah, so I guess next bit is put it back together and see if it's made any difference. Chirp.